why we use variables in Python, but do you know how it actually works? Let me show you. Let's say in the first line, I write a equals to 3. I'm sorry for my handwriting, but a equals to 3. That means 3 is getting into a. That's how we used to explain it, but that's not how it actually works. Let's say you have a RAM. Every computers have RAM. Every mobile has RAM. So how RAM actually works? Each memory locations, each portion of a RAM has a particular memory location. And when we say variable a is equals to 3, that means there is a variable a somewhere and we are putting a value into a location of the RAM. Let's say I'm putting 3 into it and I'm telling Python to point over here. So that the diagram looks like this, not this. This is the variable a and we are putting 1. It's not the perfect way to explain it. But see, when we say a equals to 4, what happens is actually 4 is somewhere else in RAM and we tell Python to point to the new location and forget the previous one. It is easier to explain in this way because that is how it works rather than this one. Because how do you store 4 and 3 and so on, right? So Python never works like this. Python always works like pointers. Okay, and this particular explanation will also help you understand another concept which is called list aliasing problem. Okay, we'll discuss about that later.